We're going to do a quick unboxing of this Amazon Echo 4th generation. So this came out in 2021. So I like this box it came in and this little handle where you can pull it out. I think that's quite a neat touch. Here we go. Move that out of the way. Pull the tab, take that off. Of information about what it does on the side there. It's quite a heavy box, so this weighs in, the actual unit itself weighs in at 970 grams, so probably with the packaging you're hitting about a kilogram. That's about that. Let's have a look inside. Okay, so it gives you bit of a tip to download the Alexa app because you'll need that to set it up, whereas other ones like the ones that have a screen like Echo Show that will allow you to set it up using the touch screen. Obviously to get the Wi-Fi password and things like that into it, you're going to need the app and then plug in the unit. So let's take it out. Oh, that is quite heavy. So we went for the charcoal grey option because I think it'll suit our kitchen quite well. Was tempted by maybe the white one, but then if you're having it in the kitchen, I could imagine that getting a bit of splatter from stuff that you're preparing. Okay, so this is the unit itself. Let's carry on unboxing and then we'll come back to that. So down in there, the leaflet just giving you a few tips on how to set things up. That's nothing interesting there. Okay, so we've got the power. That's all that's in there, nothing else. Just got the power lead, and this is a 30-watt adapter. Now the cable itself is about 1.5 meters in length, and that will go into that socket on the back, and then you've got a 3.5mm adapter there if you want to plug in extra speakers. Interesting little like a camera mount there. I guess you could put it on some kind of speaker mount that has that kind of adapter. Don't know what that's called, but looks pretty standard to me, like you could put it onto a tripod. Don't know what that is. Feels like a reset button, but it's not clicking. Looks like you can get in it if you maybe got a paper clip. It's got the Zigbee logo on there. Now this is a Zigbee certified device, and it means that you can use it as a Zigbee hub to do smart home accessory control, which is a new thing in this particular generation. Turning it round, not a lot else around it. Obviously you've got the light ring here to know when it's being activated and what mode it's in, whether you've hit the speaker microphone off button, which is there, and plus and minus for the volume. Not sure what that would be for. Maybe activating it without talking to it? I don't know. I'll put that in the comments. So inside here is a 3-inch subwoofer, and then you've got two 0.8-inch tweeters. So it should give a pretty good sound compared to maybe some of the smaller units that you get. That 3-inch subwoofer would be good. So we've been using it for a few days now, and we've been really impressed by it. The sound quality is good. The bass is decent on it. Maybe the bass is even actually on its default value a little bit too much for our kitchen. It doesn't quite have the music cutting through some of the activities where you're making something and the oven's going, and it kind of drowns out the sort of voices if you're listening to a podcast. So there's one thing that you might want to do is open the Alexa app, and if you go to devices, and then let's find the device in the kitchen, and then if you go into audio settings you're actually able to tune the bass, mid-range and treble there. So I've changed it so that the treble's a little bit higher, same for the mid-range, and then I've kept the bass at the default, but you could lower that down if you want to. And then really you can just get it set up exactly how you want. So do take a look at the settings for your device and tune it to exactly how you want it. Anyway, I hope this was useful. Thanks very much, and I'll catch you next time.